All right, today we're going to talk about an awesome trick. This is a trick that one of my guests taught me. It makes complete sense when you think about it, but I don't know why I didn't think about it earlier. And it's really cool. It's how to make a Cripple fly out of any Dunn style dry fly that you have, and it's really simple. So what you do is you actually go out and buy some of that cheap older pantyhose, the brown style, and you use a piece of that. You keep it in your bag, and when you need a piece of that, you just grab your nippers, boom, go in, snip off a piece, and then you hook it onto the hook of your fly, and it looks like a trailing shuck. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. I'm going to use some paper and things so it's easier to see on the camera. But let's say you have a smaller fly like this. We'll get the camera to focus on that here. Second, there you go. That's a standard Dunn fly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to imagine this is my pantyhose, right? So my pantyhose, I take a small piece, I put it in my bag, okay? I probably have it pre-cut in the little strips like that. Maybe I did that at home. I come in and boom, I cut a piece of that off with my nippers. Okay, next thing you know, I take that little strip of pantyhose and my fly, and I hook the pantyhose onto the fly so that it hangs off the back. And what you ultimately end up with is something like this. Now you can imagine a pantyhose is going to be really flexible, and when it gets in the water, it's going to wiggle a lot. And that's just like a trailing shuck. And man, is it deadly in the water. So give that a try. Try some pantyhose and you're done to get some more attraction. This is a great way to give a fish a different look at a different fly without changing the fly if you're getting refusals. We'll talk to you soon. Have fun out there.